The healthy eating plate. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about the healthy eating plate. It is often said that you are what you eat. The quality of our diet plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. Here, we will explore the concept of the healthy eating plate, a practical and scientifically based guide to making better food choices and improving our diet quality. Nutrition experts created the healthy eating plate to help people understand how to balance their meals with the right nutrients and food groups. The plate is divided into 4 sections representing different food groups: vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and protein. Each of these groups is important for overall health. It's essential to focus on variety and proportion to ensure you get a wide range of nutrients from each section. Let's take a closer look at each part of the plate. The healthy eating plate is divided into 4 quarters. Half of the plate, which is 2 quarters, should be filled with vegetables and fruits. It's important to aim for a variety of colors and types to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. This balance is crucial for a healthy diet. 1 quarter of the plate should be filled with grains and whole grain foods, while the other quarter should be filled with protein foods. Additionally, consider choosing plant-based protein foods more often. In addition to the food on the plate, it's important to include healthy oils in moderation. Opt for healthy vegetable oils like peanut, sunflower, soy, corn, canola, and olive oil, and try to avoid partially hydrogenated oils, which contain unhealthy trans fats. Keep yourself hydrated by drinking water, enjoy some coffee and tea. Avoid sugary beverages, which usually have little nutritional value but are high in calories. Stay active. The red figure running across the healthy eating plate's placemat is a reminder that staying active is also essential in healthy weight control. Now, let's delve into a detailed explanation of the nutrient groups included in the healthy eating plate to gain a better understanding of each one. These groups consist of vegetables and fruits, grain and whole grain foods, protein foods, as well as oils and healthy fats. Additionally, it's important to stay hydrated by drinking water and to remain active for healthy weight management. First, let's discuss the importance of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They provide a variety of nutrients that support our immune system, maintain healthy skin, and improve digestion. Aim to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables, and strive for a variety of colors and types to ensure you get a broad spectrum of nutrients. In addition, fruits and vegetables are important sources of phytonutrients and natural antioxidants for our immune system. Phytonutrients are natural compounds that provide various health benefits. For example, the phytonutrient lycopene in tomatoes is associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers. The more diverse your fruit and vegetable intake, the more types of phytonutrients you will consume, which enhances your overall health. Furthermore, many fruits and vegetables are packed with natural antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and boost your immune system. Citrus fruits, berries, and leafy greens are excellent sources of these immune-boosting compounds. Let's talk about the importance of grains. Grains like rice, brown rice, quinoa, and whole grain bread provide energy for our bodies. They are also rich in fiber, which promotes digestive health. Aim to fill about a quarter of your plate with grains or whole grains. Whole grains are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing overeating. Now let us talk about the protein in the healthy eating plate. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues. It is also essential for hormone production and a robust immune system. Fill 1 quarter of your plate with lean protein sources, such as poultry, chicken, turkey, fish, beans, legumes, beef, and lamb. Choosing lean protein sources can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fatty fish like salmon and trout are rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Additionally, plant-based protein sources like beans and tofu are excellent choices, providing protein without the saturated fats found in some animal proteins. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes, and supporting overall muscle health. Protein is important for athletes and people looking to build and maintain muscle mass. Protein contains amino acids, the building blocks of muscles. Combining protein with strength training exercises can help you achieve your fitness goals. Plant-based proteins, like lentils, beans, and tofu, are excellent choices for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. They provide all the essential amino acids the body needs, while being lower in calories and fat compared to some animal-based proteins. Let's discuss the importance of healthy fats in our diet. Healthy fats are essential for helping our body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, as well as supporting brain function and reducing inflammation. You can find healthy fats in sources such as olive oil, avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Healthy fats are beneficial for heart health and brain function. Use healthy fats in moderation and avoid trans fats and excessive saturated fats. Healthy fats often include omega-3 fatty acids, known for their heart protective benefits. Fatty fish like salmon are rich sources of omega-3. These fats can reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and support brain health. Using olive oil for cooking and dressing your salads is an excellent choice. Olive oil is a monounsaturated fat associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Avocado, another source of healthy fats, can make creamy and satisfying dishes while providing essential nutrients. Now, let us talk about water. In addition to the foods you choose, it is essential to stay hydrated. Why it matters? Staying hydrated is essential for overall health. Water is involved in numerous bodily processes and helps maintain bodily functions. Staying well hydrated can support weight management. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. By drinking enough water, you can better differentiate between hunger and thirst. The Healthy Eating Plate recommends water as your primary drink. Water helps regulate your body temperature, aids digestion, and helps flush out toxins. The Healthy Eating Plate suggests consuming dairy products, like milk and cheese, in moderation. While dairy is a good calcium and vitamin D source, overconsumption can lead to unnecessary saturated fat intake. If you are lactose intolerant or prefer non-dairy alternatives, plenty of fortified plant-based milk options, like almond, soy, or oat milk, can provide similar nutrients. Now let us talk about the benefits of following the Healthy Eating Plate. Adhering to the Healthy Eating Plate principles offers a wide range of benefits, both in the short term and long term. The benefits of following the principle of a healthy eating plate are better weight management, helpful disease prevention, improved energy levels, enhanced digestive health, and better mood. Maintaining a balanced diet can help with weight management. You can achieve and maintain a healthy weight by controlling portion sizes and choosing nutrient-dense foods. This is essential for overall health, as obesity is associated with various chronic diseases, including diabetes and heart disease. A well-balanced diet can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The Healthy Eating Plates focus on fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins supports these health outcomes. For instance, a diet rich in vegetables and fruits can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. A diet rich in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provides a steady energy source throughout the day. You'll be less likely to experience energy crashes and sugar cravings, which can lead to poor food choices. Maintaining stable energy levels is crucial for productivity and overall well-being. Enhanced digestive health is another benefit of the Healthy Eating Plate. Fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are known to support digestive health. They help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Better mood and mental health are also benefits of following the principle of a healthy eating plate. A balanced diet can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Nutrient-dense foods are associated with improved mood and cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, have been linked to reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. In summary, the healthy eating plate is a simple and practical guide to building balanced meals that support long-term health. By filling half your plate with vegetables and fruits, a quarter with grains, and the other quarter with healthy proteins while including healthy fats and drinking plenty of water, you can ensure you are providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Variety is essential, so aim to include different types of foods in each category to get the full spectrum of benefits. This is what we are sharing with you today. In the following video, we will discuss something interesting related to nutrition. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.